This video is for educational purposes only and strategies that I use in my personal portfolio. Nothing in this video guarantees profits or future performance. The reality facing most casual investors right now is the fact that they are completely misreading this market, throwing capital at the wrong assets, and entirely missing the massive structural wealth engine that's developing right under their noses. This isn't just another cyclical tech rally. We are living through an unprecedented macroeconomic leap that will permanently separate the elite wealth builders from the rest of the crowd. Despite the explosive historic runs we've seen from the market leaders over the last 24 months, the definitive underlying data proves that these dominant companies are still nowhere near their long-term valuation ceilings or their forward revenue potential. Because of the exponential demand for raw AI infrastructure and next-generation compute power, these positions represent a second or third inning of a massive multi-year supercycle, meaning it does not matter how much growth they've already achieved, their future value is vastly greater than what the public actually realizes. In this video, we're going to systematically break down the entire layout of the institutional playbook so that you can stop bleeding capital on overhyped hollow names. First, I'm going to show you how the top-tier players categorize macro landscapes, revealing the hidden structure of the global AI chessboard across infrastructure, automation layers, and deep integration operating platforms. Next, we will break down the exact formula for hunting asset pricing gaps and the specific anomalies where a company's fundamental revenue is scaling violently upwards while short-term market confusion compresses the stock price. And finally, we will dive headfirst into a high-conviction deep dive of 4 absolute best millionaire-making stocks that are on the board right now potentially and structured in an exact high upside order, breaking down their past data, present metrics, and precise 1 to 3 and 3 to 5 year institutional price targets. Before I map out the foundational layers of this chessboard, you need to understand that the institutional frameworks driving these precise market moves are identical to the strategies deployed daily within my trading community. Using these exact high execution models, combining raw technical analysis and my proprietary dark pool order tracking and structural hedge fund positioning, I have personally scaled my $900 macro challenge account to over $8,000 right there within a single year. All the while simultaneously transforming a smaller $250,000 portfolio into a staggering $1.7 million powerhouse. Having navigated extreme reality of personal bankruptcy just 7.5 years ago, and then achieving this financial freedom, I made it my absolute personal mission to demystify these mechanics for you and all of retail traders. Today, I have coached over 3,000 members to a verifiable structural success focusing on high conviction setups. If you completely sat out on the historic 300 plus multi-bagger moves that we captured on Navitas, AMD, Oracle, and over 50 other trades, including Palantir, during the past 3 years, you cannot afford to wait any longer. The link to claim your edge and secure your membership in my Discord is below. Let me show you exactly what proper execution, what I can do for you and your portfolio today. Look forward to seeing you real soon. First, we have to look at the blueprint of the global macro chessboard. To capture the massive upside of an outlier market leap, you have to stop looking at individual tickers in isolation and start mastering the entire layout of the chessboard. The elite wealth generation over the next decade isn't coming from shallow chat apps. It is hard-coded into 3 specific pillars. The first pillar is the foundation, the infrastructure. This includes the physical land providers like cloud hyperscalers, the hyper-monopolized semiconductor engines, and the high-output energy cooling utilities powering massive compute centers. Then you have the engine, productivity, and automation. The transition from simple code into physical robotics, advanced automated workflows, and complex vision sensor networks. And then you have the brains, enterprise solutions, scalable, high-margin operating systems built explicitly to implement data at scale for business-to-business environments. Now remember, before we talk about these stocks, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock. The market is inherently risky and there's no guarantees, so protect your capital, do your due diligence, and make sure these stocks fit your personal goals and needs. What we have to do now is we have to identify the ultimate asset pricing gaps. And understanding the broad macro trend is only half the battle. The real multi-million-dollar gains happen when you identify structural pricing gaps. An elite investor hunts for situations where a company's underlying fundamentals, operational cash flows, and balance sheet strength are aggressively scaling upward, yet the stock price remains completely stagnant or compressed or temporarily beaten down by short-term market confusion. When you locate these inefficiencies, you are essentially acquiring premier cash-rich monopolies at a massive discount while the rest of the market blindly panics over superficial metrics like historic PE ratios. You also have to understand something else that's very important: spotting the imposters versus dominant moats. The market is entering a phase where 60% of retail participants will end up failing because they are aggressively chasing hollow, overhyped names that lack any real institutional cash flow. To avoid getting caught in the crossfire, you must filter out the smoke screens and focus on bulletproof metrics like cash to debt dominance, rapid operating margin scaling, and the presence of deep monopolistic structural moats that keeps the competitors entirely locked out. So let's talk about these 4 high conviction assets that you want to be looking to potentially add to your portfolio. Number 4, we're looking at Microsoft. Looking at the mega cap tech landscape, Microsoft stands as paramount example of an institutional powerhouse that the broader market routinely misprices due to short-term fear over capital expenditure cycles. A few years ago, before the modern artificial intelligence arms race took over global markets, Microsoft traded comfortably in the mid $200 range as a stable, high-margin enterprise software business. Fast forward to today, in mid-2026, and despite pushing boundaries near the $418 mark, the stock has experienced an 11% compression over the last few months from its previous all-time highs, creating a massive pricing gap relative to its scaling fundamentals. The company is generating staggering revenue figures, driving an immense 45% operating margin on hundreds of billions in enterprise turnover, while its foundational cloud ecosystem, Azure, maintains a blistering 40% year-over-year expansion rate, driven by their high-margin commercial AI integration, which is tracking at a massive $37 billion annualized run rate. Microsoft brings in a relentless $60 billion in annual free cash flow to fuel its long-term market dominance and fund infrastructure buildouts without even breaking a sweat. And then looking at the forward catalysts and institutional price projections on Microsoft. From a mathematical perspective, Microsoft remains completely insulated from legacy tech bubbles because its software integrations represent an unbreakable corporate dependency across the globe, ensuring its current cash flow is nowhere near its eventual peak. Wall Street consensus rating sits at a highly confident strong buy, mapping out a clear 1 to 3 year advantage price target of $565, giving investors a massive fundamental margin of safety at its compressed trading levels currently. As we look out the 3 to 5 year macro horizon, institutional valuation models show that it is expanding enterprise ecosystem, cloud computing monopolies, and compounding corporate seat license fees will easily support an intrinsic fair value target of $1,400 to $1,500 per share. This indicates an enormous 300% plus upside for a $4 trillion pillar that casual retail traders are actively fleeing due to short-term interest rate noise. And of course, the Michael Blurry McBurry bubble nonsense, proving that this asset is fundamentally early in its monetization curve. The number 3 stock to potentially add to your portfolio is Palantir. Palantir represents an absolute gold standard of enterprise-level AI implementation, operating as a strict monopoly whose long-term total addressable market is routinely misunderstood by retail traders fixated on historical point data. Back during the tech-wide deleveraging of 2022, Palantir was heavily shorted and compressed into the single digits, languishing between $6 and $8 a share as Wall Street incorrectly labeled it as a low-growth niche government contractor. And I told my students to buy this stock at $15, $18, $20, $25, even $30. We made a massive percentage gain over the last 18 months on Palantir. And today the stock has executed a spectacular multi-year recovery to trade around $136, yet the underlying financial architecture confirms it is only in the opening frames of its true commercial monetization curve. Palantir operates with a flawless, completely debt-free balance sheet containing nearly $8 billion in cash reserves, while printing a 32% operating margin that reflects nearly 200% surge in operational efficiency year over year. The business has successfully accelerated its trailing free cash flow by an unprecedented 90% in the last 12 months alone, clocking in at $2 billion annually as domestic commercial customer counts scale exponentially. And when we look at their forward catalysts and institutional price projections, it is absolutely mind-blowing. The core of Palantir's structural upside is its artificial intelligence platform, its AIP. And while that stands alone as the only software infrastructure capable of integrating legacy corporate data pipelines with secure, actionable decision engines at scale, professional consensus ratings are continuously being revised upwards as the street catches on this massive enterprise adoption rate, highlighting that its exponential future value is completely untethered from past growth metrics. Wall Street's immediate 1 to 3 year price targets are aggressively shifting towards a consensus of $200 to $250, while the long-term 3 to 5 year intrinsic valuation models point toward a solid $500 to $600 price target as AIP transforms into the standardized operating system for both global commercial enterprises and Western defense networks. Because the business captures exponentially sticky, high-margin, recurring contract revenues, the compounding effect over the next 5 years will expose its current trading levels as a severe fundamental discount. Remember, we track and break down these precise institutional dark pool blocks and technical trend shifts live inside my Discord every single day. If you want to stop guessing and see exactly how these setups translate into consistent, rule-based portfolio growth, check out the link below to join my Discord right now and let me show you exactly how I grew my $900 challenge account to over $8,000 in 1 year, and in the same time frame grew my $250,000 portfolio to $1.7 million, and how I've made over $95,000. Let me show you what I can do for your portfolio by joining the Discord with the link below, because this year is likely going to be picking up a lot more. We're just getting started with SPY's price targets between 780 and 820 by the end of the year. So you don't want to miss out on this potential run this year and next year as things are just heating up. I would love to help you grow your portfolio. The link to get started with Discord, like I said, is below. I look forward to seeing you real soon. The number 2 stock in this list is none other than Micron. Micron Technology serves as the ultimate high conviction picks and shovels play of the hardware layer, effectively securing a structural monopoly in the high bandwidth memory, which is the HBM modules that are completely mandatory for modern AI computation centers. Just a few years ago, Micron was valued by the market as a highly volatile cyclical commodity play bound strictly to legacy smartphone and personal computer assembly cycles, trading in a deepened band between $50 and $60 a share. And I told my Discord to buy Micron just 2.5 months ago when it was in the $300 range. And yet again, we more than doubled our money. Recently, the asset traded near as high as $751, driven by an industrial paradigm shift where memory speed and capacity have become the definitive bottlenecks for the next generational graphic processing units. And with the current pullback right now, it is an absolute no-brainer. This structural shift caused Micron's adjusted earnings to skyrocket by a mind-boggling 7.8x year over year. And with institutional consensus projecting a full year forward earnings per share to jump exponentially to $58.11 this cycle and scale further to a historic $101.78 per share shortly after. Backed by over $10 billion in cash, an aggressive expansion in operational cash flow, Micron is completely resetting its baseline profitability. The underlying reality for Micron is an intense, industry-wide macro supply deficit where high bandwidth memory demand is outstripping global manufacturing capacity by a very wide margin, allowing Micron to experience a projected 125% increase in structural pricing power. Wall Street analysts maintain a highly aggressive, strong buy outlook on Micron, with top-tier institutions like Bank of America putting forward clear 1 to 3 year price targets reaching up to $1,000 to $1,100 per share as memory demands scale. Looking further out into the 3 to 5 year window, as complex AI models scale in parameter sizes and demand custom memory dense architectures and internal macro models track Micron's fail value potential, and they see the stock climbing past $2,000 to $2,200 per share. This trajectory positions the company not as a cyclical memory provider, but as an essential utility of global compute infrastructure, proving its current valuation remains dramatically undercounted and nowhere near its long-term potential. And moving to the number one position, none other than Oracle. This is a trade that I told my Discord to get into at $138. The stock has pushed almost $200 recently, and it's now in the low to mid 190s. At the very top of the list, Oracle sits where it belongs, an infrastructure giant that has quietly executed one of the most significant and explosive fundamental transformations in the history of corporate technology. A few years ago, Oracle was widely written off by everyday retail investors as an outdated, low-growth database utility, left to trade lazily in the flat $65 to $75 range as the market looked everywhere else. Right now, the stock is trading near $192, and because it pulled back from its most recent 52-week highs during the broader macro market consolidations over the past 6 months, it represents an incredible, lucrative pricing gap for investors who understand raw data center economics. Oracle's total revenue has scaled aggressively to $17.2 billion per quarter, powered by an astonishing 243% year-over-year explosion in explicit AI infrastructure revenue and a massive 531% surge in its multi-cloud database division. Crucially, the remaining performance obligations, the binding legally contracted backlog signed by absolute titans like NVIDIA, Meta, and OpenAI, have surged an unprecedented 325% to an unbelievable $553 billion. Now let me put this into perspective for you. Oracle could shut the doors, take no more clients, and in the next 3 to 5 years, collect their RPO, the remaining performance obligations of $553 billion. They could utilize this cash to build out all their CapEx that they plan on doing and pay off all their debt and still have over $100 to $150 billion left over. Let that sink in. Oracle's massive backlog means the business has essentially guaranteed over $500 billion in high margin future revenue that the market is currently failing to price accurately due to trailing capital expenditure models, confirming its ultimate value is far beyond current parameters. Wall Street analysts hold an intensely bullish posture on the company, establishing an immediate 1 to 3 year consensus target between $260 and $300, with street high targets scaling directly to $400 plus as their massive global data center footprint comes online. And looking to the 3 to 5 year structural horizon, as these massive computing backlogs officially hit the balance sheet and translate into a projected $31.2 billion in annual revenue free cash flow, Oracle's intrinsic value models indicate a target price exceeding $400 per share. Even after its monumental run over the past few years, the stock remains a heavily mispriced asset that is still fundamentally early in its monetization cycle, making it the premier million-dollar maker stock on the global AI chessboard right now. Look, the line separating the investors who build permanent generational wealth from those who spend the next 10 years drowning in the absolute regret comes down to a single attribute: decisive, high-level execution over emotional hesitation. The stock market never rewards passive spectators who sit back and wait for the trend to feel completely safe. And it certainly doesn't pause its trajectory for the skeptics to catch up. Stop wasting time chasing hollow market noise and master the raw institutional data pipelines. Isolate the genuine structural pricing gaps on the chessboard and construct a bulletproof approach to your portfolio. Take massive action, secure your trading edge, and let's execute on these top tier plays. I look forward to coaching you and seeing you in the Discord real soon. The link to get started is below, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care of yourselves. One love, fam, and be safe out there.